Chapter 10. Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Let's begin. Growing is a natural phenomenon or a cycle. We have already learned how different animals reproduce in the previous chapter. Animals enter into their reproductive phase after a certain age. It is called pubertal age in human beings. Adolescence and puberty. The word adolescence is of Latin origin. It means to grow into adulthood. A child celebrating his 11th birthday surprised to see his brother's friends looking so funny with a hairline above the lips. He came out with plenty of questions to his mother, and his mother explained patiently and scientifically that this period is referred to as the period of growth during which a child develops into an adolescent. These stages are the part of growth and indicating that you are entering a new phase of life called adolescence. Change at puberty. Growth spurt. The conspicuous changes during puberty are the sudden increase in height called as growth spurt. Bones of arms and legs elongate much than the rest of body, making them appear funny and disproportionate. Change in body shape. Thus, it can be seen as that initially girls grow faster than boys. By 18 years of age, the boys reach their maximum height. However, weight may vary. Some grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others grow gradually. You might have seen people of varying heights, build-ups, etc. However, it is important to eat right kind of food during these growing years, which will help adolescents get proper nourishment for growth and building up of their body. Generally, male enters into puberty at the age of 13 to 14 years and females attain puberty little earlier, that is, 11 to 12 years. Change in boys. Boys develop larger voice box in puberty. The growing voice box or the larynx can be seen as protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. Their voice becomes hoarse due to the growing muscles of voice box. This condition may continue for a couple of days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. In girls, the voice box or throat appears normal. Development of sex organs. At puberty, the genital organs in males, testes and penis, and ovaries in females begin to mature. Ovaries also start releasing matured eggs. The chemical substance called hormones lead to the development of secondary sexual characteristics in males and females. Testosterone is the main hormone released by testes, hormone,